In this quick video, I am going to show you how to lock photos in Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now first of all, we'll see the process of how to lock photos in Google Photos app in our mobile. For that, firstly you open Google Photos app. Once you open it, select the photos you want to lock. So suppose I want to lock this photo. So for that I need to hold on it and then it will be selected on my Google Photos. You can also select multiple photos by repeating the same process. And now to lock this photo, we need to scroll down on the bottom on the right side and then we'll see this option of move to locked folder, and then it will give you this notification. Here you can read photos and videos in locked folder are hidden and won't show up as you scroll through Google Photos or in other apps, and you can open these locked photos using your device screen lock. Now to process further, tap on setup locked folder and then give your fingerprint lock or your device screen lock, and then it will give you this another pop-up. Here you can read photos and videos in locked folder that are not backed up won't be kept if you switch devices, factory reset this device or delete the Google Photos app. So make sure that you have backed up those photos you want to lock, so that if you switch your device or delete Google Photos app, then you still have access of those photos. So make sure to back up those photos before you lock them. And now I want to tap on continue. After that our photos will be locked in a folder. Now to find those photos we need to tap on collections, and here we need to scroll down to the bottom and you will see this locked option. Tap on it and then it will ask for your device lock. So just give it and then you will be able to see all of your locked photos. And to unhide them or unlock them, we just need to again hold on it, select the photos and tap on move, and after that we need to tap on move once again and then all of our photos will be unlocked. Now to do the same process in our computer, we need to search on our browser photos.google.com. Once you are on this website, sign in here with your Google account and now go to the image, select that image from this check mark. You can select multiple images like this, and after that we need to tap on these three dots from the top right corner, then click on move to locked folder and then we need to tap on move and then our photos will be moved to the locked folder. Now to find those photos, tap on the locked folder from this left panel. Once you tap on it, now it will ask for your Google account password. Once you enter your password, tap on next, and as you can see all of my locked folders photos are here, and if you want to unlock them, just select those photos once again and tap on move and again tap on move, and your photos will be moved away from your locked folder. So this is the process to lock photos in Google Photos. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.